Yeah, man. You already know what the fuck it is, man. DJ Jerry, aka the voice of the streets. It's that motherfucking Mixtape Trappers Radio, man. And I got more than a special guest, ho. Rockstar. Rockstar great. What's happening?
What's happening, Jerry? Long time no see. I said the wait is over, man. I said the wait is over, man. You did?
Yeah.
You know how this shit go, baby. What's up?
What's happening? Hey, bro. Why it take you so long, bro? I've been knowing you for too long, bro.
Because
wait,
you
too
know
long.
you
Hold on,
people.
wait.
Ain't nobody trying to hear that.
Bro,
You be
bro.
bullshit.
Wait, bro. I'm gonna let you talk, bro. I'm gonna let you
Here you
talk.
go.
Listen, bro. I bet you like what 2015, bro. Right?
Yeah, we been locked in for a while.
2015, bro.
I say that what? I'ma start days? Or you trying to say sugar days?
Ooh.
Don't play with me. How what? Man, stop playing.
That Burgundy Buick.
What? I'm gonna teach you how to. I'm gonna teach you how to what? Stop motherfucking playing, man. We ain't gonna come in here playing.
Right. No, but like, bro, like we did plenty shit, bro. Like, and you spent me, bro, twice, bro.
Yeah, I spent
Twice,
you.
bro.
No, I spent you once and you spent me once. We was even.
Okay.
You
all
know?
right, that's even.
We get even. I get even.
All right, third time the charm, man. We here now, man.
Let's get it.
We here, man. You know what I'm saying? But like, I ain't gonna lie, like one of the first times I heard the name, your name was through Big Cheddar. You know what I'm saying? He said swipe the pop from Bobby Joe because he was moving too slow.
I was
Way
pissed
too
off.
slow.
Listen, I was pissed off when he said that shit. I'm like,
Yeah.
how the fuck you swipe me? I don't even know you. Like,
Yeah.
how you gonna put my name in some shit and I don't even know you like that? So as I get to doing my research, I'm asking, I'm like, who is this nigga named Big Dog? They said, oh man, he a player.
Yeah.
So you know what I mean? I ain't take it as no bad way. You know what I mean? Everybody say they swipe me. You know what I mean? I gotta be doing something right.
Right.
You know what I mean?
No bullshit.
But I ain't gonna lie, Big Cheddar, he a smooth nigga. You know what I mean? I ain't got nothing bad to say about him. He a player. You know what I mean?
Right. That's what it do. Yeah, but like from outside looking in, you know what I'm saying? I thought y'all was cool. You know what I'm saying? When I
No,
heard.
I ain't never known him before he had said that. That's
Damn.
what started me to rapping. I heard that shit. I'm
okay.
like,
Okay.
hold up, let me go in the booth. Shit, I ain't gonna do no capping. That's what made me start rapping. I'm like, all right.
No bullshit. Hell yeah, man. But let us know how it all started. You know what I'm saying? The real story, you know what I'm saying? Because everybody got their own version of a We Up Next story. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's your version of how all this shit started?
This how this shit started, dog. Me and my nigga Reese was riding in a car one day.
Okay.
You know who Reese is?
Yeah.
Me and Reese was riding in a car one day, and then I was like, damn, nigga, we need to start rapping.
Right.
Reese was like, shit, we got to come up with a group.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, we ain't had no name. Then one day we went to the studio. It's this nigga named Lil Art, you know what I mean? That's Dog Brother. You know what I mean? So he was like, shit, I think y'all should be called the Slap Brothers. I said, huh? Nah, we ain't gonna do nothing like that.
Right.
Then I was like, shit, we up next. Cause shit, nigga, we up next. Like, for real, it's our turn. You know what I mean? Motherfuckers be like, they up next and no, we up next. Like, for real.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no capping going on. That's how that we up next shit started about.
Right.
You know what I mean? Then Reese had went to jail.
Mm-hmm.
It was me, Meech, Big Juice, Reese, and Taker.
Right.
This how this shit started.
Mm-hmm.
That's the stump down original pick right there. You know what I mean? Like that's my starting five right there. Before all the extra shit came in my life.
Right.